प्रभु प्यार की शीतल चांदनी बेहद सुख पहुँचाती है। प्रभु प्यार की शीतल चांदनी बेहद सुख पहुँचाती है। बाबा तुम्हारी याद, बाबा तुम्हारी याद अब हमें बहुत ही आती है।
बाबा मेरे बाबा, मेरे बाबा, मेरे बाबा, बाबा मेरे बाबा, मेरे बाबा, मेरे बाबा।
Today's Avyakt Murli, 10th January 2021. Original date 9th October 1987. News of the Royal Alaukic Court. News of the Alaukic Royal Court. Today, Bap Dada is looking at the royal court of his children who have a right to self-sovereignty. Out of the whole cycle, this Alaukic court of the confluence age is unique. It has elevated pride. It is most distinctive and the loveliest of all. The spiritual sparkle, the spiritual lotus seat, the spiritual crown and tilak, the sparkle of the face and the alaukic fragrance of the atmosphere of the elevated awareness of the stage of this royal court are delightful and extremely attractive. Seeing such a gathering and every self-sovereign soul, Bap Dada is very pleased. It is such a huge court. Every Brahmin child is a self-sovereign, a master of the self. So, there are so many Brahmin children. If you held a court of all the Brahmins together, it would be such a big royal court. There is not such a big court in any other age. The speciality of the confluence age is that all the children of the highest on high Father becomes masters of the self. In a Laukic family, Baba is saying, in a Laukic family, every father says to his children, "This child of mine is my king child." Or his wish is that every child of his should become a king. However, not all the children can become kings. They have copied the Supreme Father in this saying. At this time, all the children of the Bap Dada are definitely Raj Yogis, that is, masters of the self. They are number-wise Raj Yogis. None of them are Praja Yogis. So, Bap Dada was looking at the unlimited royal gathering. All of you consider yourselves to be masters of the self, do you not? Are all of you new children who have come masters of the self, or do you still have to become that? You are new, and so you are learning how to meet and get together. You will continue to develop the habit of understanding the Avyakt things that the Avyakt Father tells you. Nevertheless, you will appreciate this fortune worth even more later, rather than you do now. How fortunate all of we souls are. Bap Dada was telling you news of the Alaukik royal court. Baba's attention was specially being drawn to the crown and the sparkle on the faces of the children, even against his conscious wish. The crown is a symbol of purity, the speciality of Brahmin life. The sparkle on the face is the sparkle of spirituality and of being stable in a spiritual stage. Even when you look at someone ordinary, your vision will first of all go to the face. Baba says, your face is a mirror of your attitude and stage. So Bap Dada was seeing that there was a sparkle on everyone, but none. So Bap Dada was seeing that there was a sparkle on everyone, but one were of those who were always stable in the stage of spirituality. Those who had this stage naturally and easily, and others stabilized in this stage through the practice of spiritual stage. On the one hand, there were those who easily had this stage, and on the other hand were those who had to make effort to remain stable in this stage. That is, one kind were easy yogis and the others were yogis who had to make effort. There was a difference in the sparkle of the two. One had natural beauty and the other had beauty through effort. Just as people nowadays look beautiful because of their makeup. The sparkle of natural beauty is always constant, whereas the sparkle of other beauty is sometime very good and sometime only to a certain percentage. It is not, Baba is saying, it is not always the same, not always stable. So the stage of constantly being an easy and natural yogis enables you to become a number one self-sovereign. Since all of you children have promised to lead a Brahmin life, that is, since all of you children have promised to lead a Brahmin life, that is the life where the only one Father is your world, and that you belong to the one Father and none others. Since the Father is your world and there is no one else, who would you naturally and easily have? Okay, Baba is saying, since the Father is your world and there is no one else, you would naturally and easily have a constantly yogi stage. Would you not? Or would you have to make effort? If there is anyone else, you have to make effort to stop your intellect going there and see that it goes here. However, when the one Father is everything, where would the intellect go? Since it cannot go anywhere, what practice it will have? Baba is asking, since it cannot go anywhere else, what practice will it have? There is a difference in the practice too. One is a natural practice. It is always in that stage. And the other is a practice through making effort. When the self-sovereign children are those who have this practice easily, it is a sign of that they are easy and natural yogis. The sparkle on their face is alaukik, so that as soon as others sees their faces, they experience those souls to be souls who are embodiment of elevated attainment and easy yogis. When someone has physical wealth, When someone has physical wealth or has attained a physical status, you can tell by the sparkle on his face that he is from a wealthy family or has claimed a high status. In the same way, the intoxication and sparkle of this elevated attainment, this elevated right to a kingdom, that is the attainment of an elevated stage, is visible on their faces. Let the sparkling face of all the self-sovereign children always be like this. Let signs of effort not be visible. Let sign of attainment be visible. Even now, when you see the faces of some children, you say, this one has attained something. Whereas for other children, when you see their faces, you say, this is a high destination and they have very high renunciation. From their faces, their renunciation would be visible, but their fortune would not be visible. So, it would be said that this one is making very good effort. Bap Dada wants the sparkle of an easy yogi to be seen on the face of each of you children. Let the sparkle of the intoxication of elevated attainments be visible, because you are the children of the Father who is the treasure store of attainments. In the blessed time of the confluence age, you have a right to claim all attainments. Baba is asking, how can we have Baba is saying, how can we have constant yoga? How can we have a constant experience and experience the treasure store? Do not keep wasting your time making effort for this, but easily experience the fortune of being an embodiment of attainment. The time of completion is coming close. If even now you are busy making effort for one thing or another, then the time for attainment will end. So when would you then experience being an embodiment of attainment? The confluence age and Brahmin souls have the blessings. May you be full of all attainments. You don't have a blessing. May you always be an effort maker, but you have the blessing of having attainment. Blessed souls who have received the blessing of attainments cannot be caught up in carelessness. Therefore, they don't have to make effort. So, do you understand what you have to become? In the royal court, it is now clear what the speciality of having a right to the kingdom was, is it not? You have a right to the kingdom, do you not? Or are you still thinking about whether you have this or not? You have become the children of the bestower of fortune and the bestower of blessing. Baba says a king means a king, bestower of fortune, one who gives. If you lack nothing, what would you take? So, did you understand? The new children have to stay in this experience. Do not waste your time battling. If you waste your time battling, you will be battling in your final moments too. What will you then become? Will you become part of the Moon dynasty, or will you go into the Sun dynasty? Those who are battling will go into the Moon dynasty. I am moving along, I am doing this, it will happen, I will get there. Do not keep this type of aim now. If not now, then never. You are going to become something, it has to be now. If you are going to attain something, it has to be now. Only those who have zeal and enthusiasm will reach their complete destination on time. None of you is ready to become Ram and Sita of the Silver Age. Since you want to go into the Sun Dynasty of the Golden Age, then the Sun Dynasty means to be a constant master, bester of fortune and bester of blessings, not one who has to desire to take. I should receive some help. It should be very good if this should happen. I will then claim a good number in my effort. No. You are receiving help. Everything is happening. This is known as being children who are self-sovereign masters of the self. Do you want to move forward, or is it that because you have come later, you want to be there? This is known as being children who are self-sovereign, masters of the self. Do you want to move forward, or is it that because you have come later, you want to stay at the back? They say the easy way to go ahead is to become an easy and natural yogi. It is very easy. Since there is only the one Father, since there is no one else, where else would you go? Since there is attainment upon attainment, why would it take effort? So take benefit of the time of attainment. Become an embodiment of all attainments. Do you understand? Bap Dada wants each child, even the last one, Bap Dada wants each child, even the last one, as well as those who have come at the beginning of the establishment, every child to become number one. Become kings, not subject. Acha. Groups from Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh have come to meet Baba. Look the word Maharashtra. Look the word Maha means great is so good. The place Maharashtra has the word Maha in it. So you also have to become great. You have become great, have you not? Because to belong to the Father means to become great. You are great souls. Brahmins means great. Your every action is great. Every word is great, and every thought is great. They have become alaukik, have they not? So those you from Maharashtra always be embodiment of the awareness that you are great. Brahmins means the great top knot, does it not? Madhya Pradesh are those who always maintain the intoxication of Madhya Jivi Bhava, the middle one, Vishnu. Together with Manmana Bhav, you also have the blessing of Madhya Jivi Bhav. So, your heavenly form is called Madhya Jivi Bhav. You are those who maintain the intoxication of your elevated attainment. That is, you are those who remain stable in the form of the mantra of Madhya Jivi Bhava. You are also great. If you are Madhya Jivi Bhav, then you would definitely be Manmana Bhav too. Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh means those who become embodiment of the great mantra. So both of you are great with your own specialties. Do you understand who you are? From the time you begin the first lesson, you just made this firm. Who am I? The Father also reminds you of the same thing. Chant this. There is just the one expression. Who am I? But it has so many answers. Baba is saying, make a list of who am I? Acha. To the elevated, to all the elevated souls from everywhere who are embodiment of all attainments, to all the great souls who have right to the Alaukic royal court, to the special souls who have always adopted the sparkle of spirituality, to the constantly natural yogis, the easy yogis, to the highest on high souls, please accept love-filled remembrance from Bab Dada, the highest on high. Avyakt Bab Dada meeting double foreigners, brothers and sisters. Double foreign means those who always have the awareness of their original form, their original land, their self-sovereignty and of their original kingdom. What service in particular do the double foreigners have to do? You now especially have to give souls the experience of the power of silence. This too is a special service. Just as the power of science is very well known, each and every child knows what science is. In the same way, silence power is even higher than science. That day will also come. To reveal the power of silence means to reveal the Father. Just as science shows the visible proof, in the same way, the lives of all of you are the practical proof of silence power. When all of you are visible as the practical proof, then even against their conscious wish, you will easily come into their visions. Just as last year, you carried out the peace project, and that was shown practically on the stage. In the same way, let mobile peace models be seen. The visions of the scientist will then definitely fall on those with silence. Do you understand? There are far more inventions of science abroad. Baba is saying, so the sound of the power of silence will also easily spread from there. There is the aim of service anyway. And you all also have zeal and enthusiasm. You cannot stay without doing service. Just as one cannot stay without food, in the same way you cannot stay without doing service, and this is why Bab Dada is pleased. Acha. Avyakt Bab Dada meeting groups. Do you experience yourself to have become elevated souls who are spinners of the discus of self-realization? You have had a vision of the self, have you not? To know yourself means to have a vision of the self, and to have the knowledge of the cycle means to have a spinner of the discus of self-realization. When you become a spinner of the discus of self-realization, all other types of spinning finishes. The spinning of body consciousness, the spinning of relationship, the spinning of problems, all of those are the many types of spinning of Maya. However, by becoming a spinner of the discus of self-realization, all these types of spinning finishes. You come out of all types of spinning. Otherwise, you get trapped in the web. So earlier you were trapped and you have now come out. For 63 births, you continued to get trapped in many types of spinning. And at this time, you have come out of that spinning, and so you must not get trapped again. You have experienced it and seen it for yourself, have you not? By getting trapped in all the different types of spinning, you lost everything. And by becoming a spinner of the discus of self-realization, you found the Father, you found everything. So, always be a spinner of the discus of self-realization. Be a conqueror of Maya and continue to move forward. By doing so, you will always remain light and not experience any type of burden. Burden brings you down, but by being light, you will continue to fly high. So you are those who fly, are you not? You are not weak, are you? If even one wing is weak, it will bring you down and not allow you to fly. So make both wings strong and you will automatically continue to fly. To be a spinner of the discus of self-realization means to continue to fly in the ascending stage. Acha, you are Raj Yogis, elevated souls, are you not? From having an ordinary life, you have become easy yogis, Raj Yogis. Baba is saying, you have become easy yogis, Raj Yogis. Such elevated yogi souls always swing in the swings of super sensuous joy. Hatha yogis levitate their bodies with hatha yoga and practice flying. In fact, you Raj Yogis experience a high stage. By copying this, they levitate their bodies. However, wherever you stay, you stay in your high stage. And so it is said that yogis remain high up. The place of the stage of the mind is high because you have become double light. Baba is saying, in any case, for angels, it is said that their feet are never on the ground. Angel means those whose feet of the intellect are not on the ground. Those who are not body conscious. Always remain high up away from body consciousness. You have become such angels, that is Raj Yogis. You don't have any attachment to this old world. Baba is saying you don't have any attachment to this old world now. To do service is a different matter, but do not have any attachment. To be a yogi means the Father and I and no third person. So always maintain this awareness of being Raj Yogis, always angels. With this awareness, you will constantly continue to move forward. Raj Yogis are always the masters of the unlimited, not the masters of the limited. You have come away from the limited. You have received limited. You have come away from the limited. You have received unlimited rights. Therefore, remain happy with this. Just as the Father is unlimited, so too stay in unlimited happiness, unlimited intoxication. Acha. At the time of farewell, to all the children who are blessed at Amrit Vela, please accept golden love and remembrance from the Father, the bestower of blessing. Along with that, to those who are always churning plans of doing the service of creating the golden world, those who are engaged with a lot of love in service with their heart and serve and life, those who are cooperative souls with their body, mind and wealth. Bab Dada is saying good morning, diamond morning to all of you. Always be a diamond and take the speciality of this diamond age as a blessing and an inheritance. You will then remain stable in a golden stage, and you will also continue to give others a similar experience. So a diamond morning to the double hero children everywhere. Bab Dada is wishing diamond morning to the double hero children everywhere. Acha. Blessing. May you be one with merciful feeling who has pure and positive thoughts for others. May you be one with merciful feelings who has pure and positive thoughts for others and uplift those who defame you. May you be one with merciful feelings who has pure and positive thoughts for others and uplift those who defame you. Baba explains, no matter what type of soul comes into contact with you, whether satoguni or tamoguni, you are those who always have pure and positive thoughts for them. That is, you uplift those who insults you. Never have any vision of dislike towards any souls, because you know that that soul is under the influence of ignorance, that he is without understanding. Let there be mercy and love and not dislike for that soul. Souls who have pure and positive thoughts for others never think why not do this. Souls who have pure and positive thoughts for others never think, why did this one do this? Why did this one do this? They would always think of how they can benefit that soul. They would always think of how they can benefit that soul. This is the stage of a well-wisher. Slogan: with the power of tapasya, make the impossible possible and become an embodiment of success. With the power of tapasya, make the impossible possible. With the power of tapasya, make the impossible possible and become an embodiment of success. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.